Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul for you guys from the store Need Supply. They were recently having an online sale, so I picked up a few items and I'm going to show you guys everything that I got, how I styled them, and how they fit. Need Supply is an online store that has a curated selection of different brands as well as a few private label brands you can only find on their site. The items on their site are very contemporary and forward. They have a lot of really unique pieces, and I've actually never shopped here before. This is my first time. I bought everything on sale. Normally everything is more on the pricier side, so I was able to pick up a lot of good deals and I'm excited to show you guys what I got. So I'm going to start off with my most favorite piece that I got. This one is a red faux snakeskin long sleeve button up top by the brand MGSM. It was originally $460, but I got it on sale for 50% off, which is amazing. It's in the size 42, which is equivalent to a size large, but I still got it anyway because it is like an oversized fit, and also it was the last one on their site, so I just had to grab it. And it has these like oversized pockets in the front. It's buttoned down, and then the only thing that I don't like about this is that the interior lining is white. I feel like it would have been better if it was black because it's such a contrast color, but still I really like this top. I feel like I could also wear it as a dress because it is pretty long since it is a bigger size. I'd probably either wear it like all buttoned up with like boots or even open with something underneath. The next item I got are these socks by the brand Rachel Comely. They are one size fits all and were $31. They're this like tulle material see-through socks. I love these because they're super delicate and very like feminine, and I just love anything that's like this material, like very sheer or mesh. I think it's really pretty. I saw it styled with like some slip-on mules on their website that was really cute, so I kind of want to recreate that look. I love like that look with like socks with like sandals. I think it's super cute. And usually I see them with like really thick socks and I don't like that, but these ones are so delicate and like see-through that I think it'll look really nice. The next item I got is this jumpsuit from the brand Stelen. Stelen is one of the brands that you can only find on Need Supply, and I got it in the size small. It originally cost $88, but I got it on sale for $50. It's in this really nice natural colorway. It has buttons in the front, it's wide-legged at the bottom, and has a waist tie and then a smocked back detail that has some stretch. So I did get it in the size small. They only had small, medium, and large on their site. I wish that they had an extra small because I feel like that would fit better because this looks a little bit big. And because it does have that stretch too, I'm kind of worried that it'll be kind of loose. And the good thing about it is that it has this tie, so I can tie it tight and kind of like give it some shape. This is just a really cute jumpsuit. It's something that I would see like at Reformation, which I love. Since I live in LA, it's pretty warm still, even in the winter. So like I could totally wear this on the weekends to like brunch or something with like a light jacket on top. I'm also going to Mexico next month, so I feel like this would be a really cute like outfit for the morning, like daytime, like breakfast or something like that. I would probably wear it with like flats or maybe like heeled sandals because it is wide legged at the bottom. The last item I got specifically for my trip to Mexico. It's these white see-through linen pants by the brand Farrow. I got it in the size small. Farrow is another one of Need Supply's exclusive brands that you can only find there. These ones I got on sale for I think like $18, which is crazy. But they're high-waisted and has like a belt here, which is really cute. They are see-through, so I totally picture myself wearing like a really bright bathing suit underneath this and kind of just letting that pop. They are like wide-legged and a little bit long, and I just love that. I feel like white linen pants are a great vacation piece to bring just because that they're like light, airy, and just very comfortable to wear. These are definitely not good for everyday wear because they are super see-through, but obviously for like if I go to the beach in the summer, I could wear that, or like the pool or something like that. It's definitely a good cover-up piece. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I know it was a small haul, but as I mentioned before, I've never shopped here before, so I just wanted to pick a few pieces on sale to see how everything fit and how the quality was, especially for the brands that you can only find on Need Supply of Stelen and Farrow. So it was a good experience. I feel like with some of the private label brands, if they had a size extra small, it would kind of fit me a little bit better. But nonetheless, I still really like everything that I got. I think the sale is still going on, so I'll leave the link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. Also, if you guys have Instagram, feel free to follow me at Julia SUH. I post a lot of my outfits there, so you can kind of get some outfit inspiration, hopefully. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.